Hello everyone, my name is Roy. Welcome to my channel RoysArtyCrafty. So in this video we'll be trying some print writing and we'll use some variations. So let's start the video. In this example, print lettering has been tried, but the letters are written in a compact way, like a bit longer than the normal height, but without any guidelines. So 2 lines paper has been used without any guidelines and try to maintain the height of all the letters same throughout the sentence or line. The starting point of all the lines have been tried to start from a same point but without any guidelines. So at the end, the lines or all the lines should start from a same point. A gel pen from Pilot with extra bolt nib has been used in this style. So this style can be practiced with a pencil also or a sketch pen. If the nib is bold, so it will help in this style.
Lip gave in and my tongue took a wrong turn. My bad, I'm trying to unlearn. Oh, please believe in the essence. My intention, you're a lesson. Oh, yeah. Red, so torn from words.
If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.